Hey guys, welcome to another video on HTML. So in this video, we're going to see about HTML editors. A simple text editor is all you need to learn HTML. Uh, so the HTML language can be learned using a notepad or a text edit which you have default in your laptop or PC. So we are going to see how it can be done and how HTML pages can be created now. So the web pages can be created and modified using professional HTML editors. So however, for learning HTML, we recommend a simple text editor like Notepad or Text Edit in Mac. So this can be done, guys. Like in Notepad, you can develop a HTML page, but you need a proper editor to learn HTML to move forward in your development. So the personal editor which I recommend is Visual Studio Code. I In the above we can see the installation guide video for how to install Visual Studio Code and start with your development. But let's see how it can be done in a notepad and how to run a HTML page in this video. So open notepad in your PC and write some HTML code in it. So I'm going to demonstrate that now. So what you're going to do is a new text document. I'm going to open the text document which I created, and I'm going to paste this HTML here, and we should follow what it is. So open and save. Just going to save it. Save as all files index.html in desktop. So now I go and open this index.html, I am going to see this. So what code has been written here is that just a simple HTML code which has HTML opening tag, ending tag, and a body inside which you have a paragraph which says my first heading. Sorry, you have a heading which says my first heading and a paragraph which says my first paragraph. So this is how you run a HTML page in a notepad, and this is the same output which we got. So this is a basic video or tutorial of how to run a HTML page. But for learning HTML in a more advanced way, you can develop the you can install the Visual Studio Code and develop HTML pages in it and HTML code in it. The installation video guide has been given above, and you can always watch it. And in the next video, we'll see about HTML basics. See you in the next one. Bye.